You mentioned in our earlier discussion that if I started earlier, the picture will be better. So what that mind that you realize after working 3 years, 4 years with us, and what is the thought behind to?
So earlier it was not disciplined, right?
We were spending first and then saving.
Then saving, yeah. So now we are saving first and then spending.
Wow.
So
That's a change.
yeah. Thanks to your team that they see to it कि नहीं इतना पहले save करो और जो फिर बचेगा, you spend in that. So that is what started with earlier. And saving earlier we used to do it was like random. Okay, my uncle said put in this, we used to put, or my neighbor said put into that, used to put, things like that. Or you see something on TV, okay, iska share price बढ़ने वाला है, you put into that and lose money, right? So we have lost lot of money
Okay.
in shares. माझ्याकडे अजून वोडाफोन आयडिया पडलाय, अजून येस बँक पडलाय. ओके, तर हे सगळं पण आहे. नॉट जस्ट दॅट, इवन म्हणजे बँकेत अकाउंट आहे, बँकेत काही कामासाठी गेलो, ओके, मॅनेजरने पकडला, दोन इन्शुरन्स विकले, म्युच्युअल फंड विकले. नाही, अँड देन यू रिअलाइज आफ्टर 4-5 years की बँकेने कमवले and we are at a loss, right? And one good thing about NSW, what we liked is कि you are not getting any compensation from the mutual fund company, right? So that increases trust, okay? कि you will not sell what you are benefiting from, right? You will earn from, if my portfolio increases, you will earn from that, right? So you will see to it that my portfolio value will increase, right?
Yes.
So that was one of the things that, I felt, okay, let's go with these people because, they will earn if I will earn, right? So that was one of the main factors that made me come to you.
So Vikram, I really acknowledge that you are openly sharing what happened in your early stage of your life. And now you are building wealth for your goals, achieving your goals. So can you just brief, because there are some people who are at young age right now and they are doing same mistake as you have done earlier, and we are doing awareness, but what happened exactly, what you did and how you should avoid this, any kind of sharing?
I see, we both come from a kind of, lower middle class family.
Yeah.
Okay. Finance to was, but we
very humble start.
Very humble beginnings.
Extremely.
So when you start earning, you start, getting some good amount as a salary. Okay, you try to overcompensate for what you have missed. Okay. So at least that was with us, right? Okay. आधी पैसे नव्हते, आता पैसे आलेत, तर ती मजा करायची राहिली, ही मजा करायची राहिली.
Okay.
समजलं ना? So we, concentrated on that in the young age. अरे हे करूया. पण ते करू शकलो असतो, but with a proper plan and structure that we didn't realize earlier. Okay. Proper आम्हाला कोणी गाईड करत नव्हतं. ओके, गाईड नव्हता. ओके, बट वेन वी मेट विथ NSW करायचं होतं म्हणून आम्ही जो बँकर बोलेल त्याच्यात इन्व्हेस्ट करायचो, शेजारी बोलला त्याच्यात इन्व्हेस्ट करायचो, रिलेटिव्ह बोलले त्याच्यात इन्व्हेस्ट करायचो.
We had taxes, we had
इव्हन म्युच्युअल फंड्स होते आपल्याकडे.
सो देर इज स्कॅटर्ड, म्हणजे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी स्कॅटर्ड होतं
आणि सगळ्यात लॉस करत होतो आम्ही.
आणि तुम्ही हा फरक आता म्हणजे तुमच्या बोलण्यातून मला आठवत आहे, जस्ट करेक्ट, की NSWच्या अगोदर होतं, बरेचसे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट होत्या, यू आर डुईंग फंटॅस्टिक, लिव्हिंग इन मुंबई, स्कॅटर्ड होतं, आणि NSW बरोबर आल्यानंतर एक होलिस्टिक अप्रोच मिळाला, आणि एव्हरीथिंग इज इंटरलिंक.
येस,
यू मस्ट रिअलाइज दॅट एव्हरीथिंग इज डिपेंडंट, इट्स नॉट. So what is the message that you can put in this case? There are listeners or some of the people like same you are earlier doing 5 years back or 10 years back, की प्रत्येक गोष्ट विकत घेतात प्रोडक्ट, आणि दे आर नाउ अटॅचिंग टू दॅट प्रोडक्ट टू समवन दॅट गोल्स. So what is the experience that you realize in a holistic way if you look your life?
I think when these various services or various investments and expenses, these intergamut, when it is interlinked and when it is with someone, you are able to understand exactly where you are and in which direction you want to go, and in that direction to go what you really have to do. That clarity comes, and that clarity really helps you to do what you want to do. I mean, there's certain peace which comes to mind. Ki, okay, if this is my target, this is how I want to do it. Of course, I have not even given you target which I felt out of my budget. I told you things.
So
which
it was not target. Basically, they gave us की लाईफस्टाईल मेंटेन करायला, ही लाईफस्टाईल मेंटेन करायला तुम्हाला एवढा
amount
पाहिजे in future.
also in basis of what
You are currently
Currently.
expenditure level.
So there is certain peace and clarity which comes with it, and I think that is a great factor.